I'm Pooja from Blue Interiors again. So this is the apartment from Shobha Forest View on Kanakpura Road. So coming to the entrance, we have a very good foyer area. So for the foyer area, we have put the mirror behind, and in the front we had this jolly work with teak wood color. Above there is the name for the house, Venkatadri Nivasa. Then coming forward to your right side, you can see a TV unit, and then a nice wallpaper behind the TV unit. So we have provided the lighting, enough lighting, 5 lights in the TV unit, and then inside also you can see there is a light. So similarly for all the 3 doors, there is a light. Then coming to this side, we have a nice very teak wood Puja Mandir door with a PU matte finish polishing on it. It's all handcraft Puja Mandir. Then coming to next, we have a breakfast counter. Down we try to match with the same foyer area so that there would be a symmetricity in the entire house. So again same teak wood color jali, and then mirror at the back. Then we have got 2 very simple hanging light which matches exactly with the kitchen area, as we have entire white kitchen and then a nice yellow light below the upper cabinet and a white light for the roof. Then the entire kitchen is a soft closer kitchen. So you can see the baskets and the pullouts. This is all the soft closing baskets you can see. Even if I bang it, it won't go and bang. It closes softly. Similarly, we have baskets here also. A plain basket and the cutlery here. Then for the upper cabinets also, you can see it's all soft closer. Everything is a soft closer. The kitchen is basically acrylic finish. You can see the reflection only. What is the reflection for the lighting over here? So this is our corner unit. Here there is a hollow space. Here there is a hollow space so that we can put the aquaguard inside it. We have a tall unit. In the tall unit only, this is a built-in oven. Above we have a space. This is a hydraulic opening door. And then to this side, to the breakfast counter, below the breakfast counter, we have a storage, small storage. Coming to the utility of the kitchen. So here is a place for a front-loaded washing machine. You can see, and then we have a space. Can see inside is for 2 cylinders. One which I'll be using in the kitchen, and one is the empty cylinder. Towards the front, I have a 2-bowl sink for washing the vessels. As I'm not going to wash the vessels inside the kitchen. Coming back to living area, we have a very good, nicely designed crockery unit. The top is of foreign board top. We have 2 drawers and a ladder kind design for the upper cabinets. In the upper cabinets, you can see the lights inside, and because of the lighting, we have put the glass shelves so that the light can pass through, and you can see the lighting throughout the box. Below we have all storage with 1 shelf. All the shelves are detachable, so you can adjust it according to the size of boxes or the things you'll be keeping. The edges you can see is very smooth and tidy. So then we'll see for the guest room and master bedroom. This is the passage area for this. So all the 3 rooms are here only. So first we'll go to guest bedroom. This is a slider wardrobe. For one door, we have kept the mirror only, entire door. So we can slide off the mirror and we can open the wardrobe. So we can see the wardrobe. Inside we have given a brown color for the wardrobe, which matches with the entire theme of the color outside. This is a concealed handle we'll be using for this shutter. So both the parts are of the same designs. Then to this side we have a very sleek TV unit, as you also know that this is a guest bedroom. So this can be utilized as your study table also and can be utilized as your TV unit also. So the purpose was for both. Since it's a smaller room, so we didn't have much to do for the TV unit. So we did a very simple thing for here. So let's go to kids bedroom now. One second, I'll just put that. So for the kids room, you can see from the starting, this is a bookshelf, uneven abstract design as kids like, because the room belongs to he is only 2 years old here. So what we have chosen a bright color and a dull color. So the color complements each other. Coming to wardrobe, you can see a very good trendy design with the trendy colors. And while opening the wardrobe, you can see inside again the same brown color laminate we have used inside. And to this side we have a study table with a bookshelf. Since it's a small room, so we try to give more of leg space, and here is the bookshelf. So we'll go to the master bedroom. One second, I'll switch on the light. So this is the foyer area for the master bedroom. We had a little area, little space on this side, so we made a wardrobe, but since the area becomes smaller while making the wardrobe, so we thought we'll use glasses, not the laminates on top of it. So for this is a 4-door wardrobe, as you can see. So for last 2 doors we have used frosted glass, and middle 2 doors we have used mirror, so that it won't reduce the space, and we had given a very good lighting which is falling on the wardrobe, so it enhances the space. It doesn't reduce the space. So entering to the master bedroom, we have again one more very big wardrobe. So for this wardrobe, we had made a very long shutters. So the loft, as you can see, is inside only. We haven't made a separate door for the loft. Lighting, you can see it's automatic lighting. So once I'm closing the door, the light get automatically shut off. When I'm opening the door, you can see the lighting is getting switched on. Similarly for this door also, it's again automatic light with a few accessories in the wardrobe. This is a deo holder, deo basket, and then there is a handbag holder. Then to the down, we have given a space for pens. Coming to the side of the room, we have a dresser here with a long storage. So this is the storage for the dresser. And then the wire you can see, so we are yet to put a light for the dresser. Down there is a small toilet. So the LED light you can see entirely it's running through. The hydraulic lift up for the bed so that you can maximum utilize the space under the bed. To this side we have combined actually the TV unit and the side table both. So we haven't reduced the space for the side table as we were making a TV unit. So there are only 3 drawers, very simple sleek TV unit. So there is a space for the TV and then just a simple 2 boxes, open boxes to keep anything you like. So coming to the bathroom, we have done a frosted glass partition for the bathroom. This is a sliding door. Then down here, down to the utility area sink, we have a vanity unit. And then above we have put a full size mirror so that it will make this bathroom look bigger only. And then few bathroom accessories. The flat shelf is here, and then I have a corner shelf inside the shower area. So the similar partition we have for all the 3 bathrooms. So thank you for watching us and bearing with us for so many minutes. Next video will be coming soon. That's all for Shobha Forest View for this video.